go. All right. What's going on, everybody? Glory days, glory days. My lake has water in it. Still not right full, but it's coming. Still still out pretty far. The level has come up. That's awesome. And this is where I sit and enjoy the breeze off the lake and cool down a bit and drink some water. I brought some. Got a life straw. I could always drink the lake water. It's only river water. So, down at Glennifer Lake again, enjoying the nice breeze off the lake. It's still not as full as it would normally be, but it's filling up. Some guy out there is stuck on a sandbar or something. Oh, that's nice and warm too. Should have brought my swimming trunks. It is a beautiful day. Just a nice gentle breeze, no crazy Alberta winds today. So, just enjoying the scenery. Enjoying the wind. It's definitely one of those places that I like to go to. Other than the boats being a little noisy, one can't complain. Just enjoying the day. Back on the KLR. Some twisties. Another cool bridge to look at. It's not a bad day. I know it's kind of a slow-paced exploration day, but just chilling from the last exploration day. One can do that, right? Oh. Yeah, just a gentle breeze. Just me, myself, and my thoughts. Hope everybody's out and enjoying their day as much as I'm enjoying mine. Everybody have a great day. Ride safe. Don't forget, the Mapman Tennessee is the one that came up with those places. Check him out. He's a great guy. Rides a 650 Versa Kawasaki. At least it's a Cowie. And yeah, life is good. Like, comment, subscribe, ring the bell. We'll catch you on the next ride, okay? Cheers.